Title: The Great Migration Journeys Across the Globe. 1. Serengeti's Endless Plains. Begin the journey with the wildebeest's annual migration across the Serengeti, one of nature's most famous spectacles. The clip highlights the expanse of the grasslands that transform in harmony with the seasons. 2. The River Obstacle. Capture the tense moments as the herd approaches a river teeming with hungry crocodiles. The suspense grows as the wildebeest muster the courage to cross these dangerous waters, demonstrating their instinctual drive for survival. 3. The Maasai people. Shift focus to the Maasai tribespeople who have coexisted with the Great Migrations for centuries. Their vibrant culture and traditions enrich the narrative as they share wisdom about living alongside these majestic creatures. 4. Monarch butterflies flight. Journey to North America, where millions of monarch butterflies undertake a seemingly impossible migration from Canada to Mexico's Oyamel fir forests, depicting determination and the intricate dance of life. 5. Humpback whale songs. Dive into the ocean's depths, tracking humpback whales as they migrate thousands of miles to mate and give birth. Listen to their enchanting songs that echo across the underwater world. 6. The Arctic Tern's long haul. Follow the Arctic Tern's incredible flight from its breeding grounds in the Arctic to the Antarctic, the longest migration of any animal, highlighting sheer endurance against Earth's harshest elements. 7. Caribou on ice. Travel across the Arctic tundra alongside caribou herds as they dodge predators and navigate ice-laden terrains in search of sustenance, displaying a testament to resilience. 8. Elephants on the move. Set foot in the African savannas, where elephant herds move in a perpetual quest for food and water. The matriarch leads her family painstakingly across vast distances as they foster bonds and face uncertainty together. 9. Red crab invasion. Witness the awe-inspiring spectacle of the red crabs marching to the shores of Christmas Island, turning the roads into a sea of red as they heed an ancient call to the ocean to spawn. 10. The liberty of pelican flocks. Enter the aerial world of pelicans, whose synchronized flight across America's coastlines offers both a visual feast and an exploration of avian navigation. 11. Polar bear survival trek. Visit the frozen landscapes of the Arctic, where polar bears navigate melting ice in search of seals, a precarious journey in a warming climate. 12. Leatherback Turtle Odyssey. Plunge into the waters of the Pacific Ocean, following leatherback turtles on a 7,000-mile journey from nesting beaches to rich feeding grounds, braving threats from humans and nature alike. 13. Bar-headed geese Himalaya passage. Soar over the Himalayas with bar-headed geese, who achieve astonishing altitudes in harsh conditions, highlighting avian adaptation at its extreme. 14. Wildebeest migration. Cycle back. This clip traces the return leg of the Serengeti migration as the wildebeests, regrouped and revitalized, conclude their grueling circular journey for another year. 15. East Asian volcano on-foot pilgrimage. Capture the mystical walk of devotees up a sacred volcano, blending ancient rituals with nature's cycle, echoing patterns of migration rooted in spiritual traditions. 16. Emperor penguins march. Tread carefully along the Antarctic ice with emperor penguins as they march tirelessly as a community to ensure their young survive the freezing depths of winter. 17. The salmon's leap. Dive into the freshwater rivers of North America to witness the awe-inspiring leaps of salmon as they battle upstream towards birth grounds, overcoming rapids and predators. 18. Nomadic life of Berber tribes. Enter the deserts of North Africa, where Berber tribes navigate sparse landscapes, maintaining their migratory lifestyle in concert with challenging climates and changing times. 19. Indian elephants cahoots. Unveil the secret paths of India's elephant corridors, supporting their historic routes across landscapes fragmented by development. 20. Sooty shearwaters' ceaseless flight. Encounter sooty shearwaters in the Southern Ocean, whose perpetual clockwork circuitous migrations epitomize relentless endurance and the impact of oceanic cycles on life. 21. Wildebeest calving season. Dive back into the Serengeti for the wildebeest calving season, showcasing renewal as new life sparks at the heart of their migratory journey. 22. Gazelle on the savanna. Venture into the African savannas with gazelles, whose swift migrations across the grassy landscapes are a testament to speed and agility in evasion of predators. 23. Life pulses of European eel. Track the secretive, lengthy migrations of European eels from continental rivers to the Sargasso Sea, revealing mysteries still unsolved by science. 24. Nomads of the Tibetan Plateau. Move with the Tibetan nomads, whose yak-centric lifestyle inherently revolves around the delicate balance between pastoral life and environmental stewardship. 25. The flight of myriads. Plovers. Watch the dramatic formations of plovers escape the chill of the Arctic, descending to warmer realms with unmatched precision and timing. 26. The insect kingdom. Desert locusts. Experience the explosive movement of desert locust swarms, whose irresistible impulse to migrate has ancient biblical connotations, overwhelming landscapes they traverse. 27. Siberian crane's elegant path. Follow the Siberian crane over East Asia, a journey filled with obstacles but indicative of incredible navigational skills and determination. 28. Yellow-billed cuckoo's rainforest route. Travel along with the yellow-billed cuckoo as it ventures from North America's woodlands to the rainforests, hunting elusive insects on its voyage. 29. The Great Elephant Gathering. Join Asian elephants gathering at Sri Lanka's Minarya National Park, a seasonal congregation prompted by dwindling water resources and a chance for social bonding. 30. Spectacle of flamingos. Witness the kaleidoscopic spectacle of flamingos at Lake Nakuru, where their bright plumage paints the landscape, enriched by the bonds they foster during migration. 31. Village of the Wandering Camels. Accompany camel caravans through the Sahara Desert, a nomadic lifestyle that has seamlessly weaved survival and commerce.